The last box is 2014 Panini Black Gold. I have 8 cards, 1 pack. I think. I don't remember. 4 hits. Actually, a couple packs. A couple thick packs. So we got 1. Left pack and right pack, just like Twix. So I'll keep the left pack on the left, right pack on the right. Both packs are gone. Nothing in the bottom. Thought maybe they'd hide something, maybe, but they didn't. Alright. You guys want to do left pack or right pack? First person to say left or right, we'll do that one. Left pack or right pack? Left Twix or right Twix? Pick me, pick me. Somebody? Anybody? Chidano says the right one. We'll go right. So 2014 Panini Black Gold. The right pack. And whoever said these cards are really thick wasn't lying. These are huge. Even the base cards. Alright. Let's see where the hits are. Hit. Hit. Looks like a couple of base cards and a couple of hits. Alright. Bills. Rookie Sammy Watkins. Numbered out of 199. Sammy Watkins for the Bills out of 199. Rookie for the Texans, Jadeveon Clowney. Jadeveon Clowney out of 99. Goes to the Texans. And on to the, I think this is a semi-hit. Team Symbols, Gold. Jerry Rice. Jerry Rice, Team Symbols Gold out of 149. Nice card. Don't know if that's real gold or if that's just an emblem. And start with the hits. For the Bills, Robert Woods, dual jersey card. Robert Woods out of 149. Dual jersey. And the auto is a gold strike auto for the Cardinals. Andre Ellington. I don't think he was a rookie in 14. I think he was a rookie in 13, wasn't he? Andre Ellington auto, numbered out of 99. Andre Ellington for the Cardinals. So there's pack number 1. Pack number 2, the left pack. Try to be careful with them. Take the rookie cards off the back. Just one rookie card. Alright. Last pack of the break. Got a rookie for the Raiders, Khalil Mack, out of 199. Khalil Mack for the Raiders out of 199. And a super thick one. It's going to be one of those emblems. Seal of approval for the Vikings. That's Teddy Bridgewater out of 149. Teddy Bridgewater out of 149. I doubt that's real gold. Was the team emblem. Teddy Bridgewater. And oh, nice. A dual auto. Dual auto. Devin Street and Zach Martin. Both Cowboys. Nice hit for the Cowboys. Numbered out of 99. Devin Street and Zach Martin. Cool looking card. And the last hit is for the Colts. Dante Moncrief. Triple jersey. Numbered out of 299. Dante Moncrief for the Colts out of 299. So that does it for the break.